Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get ready like super fast. This is one of those where you woke up late and it's your friend's birthday dinner or it's a party and you need to look just a little bit extra. But I'm going to show you how to get there super quick, tell you the pointers to make it seem like it took you about 3 hours and you were comfortable, you had your music on, you were just taking your time, when really you had 20 minutes and bam, you are done. I promise you, you can do this in 20 minutes, and if you can't, definitely adjust it to where you're comfortable at. Also, I'm going to give you a huge hair tip when you're running out of time and you need your hair to look right. I'm gonna give you some pointers on hair, makeup. Thank you to IGK for partnering up with me in this video for their dry hair shampoos because I love them. They are the cutest things and they're one of my favorites. So I'm gonna show you how I use them, which one I loved. So if you wanna see how I got this look right here and this volume in my hair in no time at all, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad family. And without further ado, let's get on with this video. What I'm gonna do is just wake my face up a little bit by putting on a little bit of this oil from Tatcha. This is the Gold Camilla Beauty Oil, and I just feel like rubbing that in instantly gives you a boost. And sometimes I'll even skip primer if I just do this. It just makes a really nice smooth surface for your foundation to glide on top of. Now this is not one of those kind of like I'm running late and I have to go to work or school. This is like I'm running late and I have my friend's birthday dinner to go to. Something more fun and just an obligation that you definitely don't want to miss. I'm just gonna start applying my foundation right away. So the foundation that I'm using is the Dior Forever in the shade 23, and I'm just gonna pop that on really quick with my beauty blender. And I literally just got spray tanned right now, so this is probably way too light for me, but it's okay. Okay, so if I was in a hurry, I would just go ahead and pop on the concealer right away. I'm still gonna give my eye area some time to dry down before I do my brows, because if I start doing my brows now, the pencil won't hold on to the skin very easy. It's just gonna slide over the skin. So I'm gonna wait to do my brows. And I'm gonna go straight in with Caramel, this shade right here. Work that right on the crease area. Depending on your skill level, you could probably get away with this within like 10 to 15 minutes. But if it'll take you a little bit longer, you can always customize what I'm doing to fit where you're comfortable. This is actually really easy because it's just one crease shade that you're doing. And then I'm gonna pop on Hazelnut. I'm gonna take Hazelnut all over my lid. So that one shade is gonna make a world of a difference and automatically amp up our look so much faster. So I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm taking Hazelnut and I'm gonna pop it all over the lid like this, and just take it all the way from the inner corner to the outer, smudge it in the lash line. You want to bring it up until you hit the crease, that bone right here, and then you just start to work it in. And this is pretty pigmented shadow, so you don't need to go back too many times, and just work it in like so. This color looks so beautiful on brown eyes or blue, so I'm just gonna take that right there, take a little bit more on the outer part of the eye, and then blend it out. This is the brush that I used for the crease, so it's gonna help really ease that hazelnut shade into the caramel, and voila, you're done. You don't need to go any further. I know you're not gonna believe me, but you're gonna look like you actually took an hour or two on your makeup. One medium tone shade is all you really need, and then just using a little bit more towards the outer corners of the same shade makes it look like you used more than one color. This color is so rich and beautiful. It just really makes your eyes pop. So if you just layer like 1 or 2 layers, you're a full-blown smoky eye. Make sure there's no harsh lines on the edges. So use a very light hand and just do circular motions really quickly. So now I'm just gonna move on to the lashes. I know this is going so fast, but trust me, you don't really need that many steps if you wanna look glam. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my lash glue. The lashes that I'm choosing are these guys right here from House of Lashes. These are the Iconics. The reason I'm choosing these lashes for tonight is because it's kind of a flared out winged lash, so you don't really need a wing with these. It kind of does the drama and the lifting of the eye for you. This is all you really need for your lashes, and this is what's gonna make you look super glam right away. So they are definitely gonna add some drama super quick to your look. Now while that's drying, I'm just gonna fill in my brows really quick. I'm definitely gonna go back and fix them up. Definitely using a pencil is so much quicker than using anything else like a pomade. While that's kind of drying on my eyes, I'm gonna go on my lower lashes. Take the brush that has hazelnut on it and just sweep it right underneath my lashes, my lower lashes. So now I'm gonna go in with a pop of color. You either wanna do this on your lips or your lower lash line. So either a bold lip or a bold lower lash line. So what I'm gonna do is take Cold Brew from the Latte palette. After the liner, I'm just gonna pop on some mascara to the lower lashes. Mesh my real lash with the false lash, and I'm sweeping the mascara on the very tip of my real lashes and sweeping it up, going through the false lash so that it connects together. Now I'm gonna add a pop of highlight to the inner corners. So for that, I'm gonna take Macchiato. Even if you do like your base first and take your palette with you in your bag and do the rest in the car or in your Uber on your way, you can definitely get everything done all in one palette. So that's a good thing about this palette, and it's definitely good for those type of nights. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes and brighten them up just a tad bit more. So I'm gonna take Vanilla Cream right here in the palette and just go right in that inner corner. And then for contouring, if you have time, I'm just gonna contour my nose really quick with Mocha, very lightly. And you can definitely skip this part, but for me, I will fit contouring my nose in if I'm going out. For picture's sake, no, I'm gonna have to snatch the nose. But I can get away with just doing bronzer on my face, so I'm gonna take Hazelnut and use that on my cheeks as well. And I'm gonna take it around the temple. And then just to make sure that we're extra bright under our eyes and everything's nice and soft around the bronzer, I'm just gonna take a little bit more of Vanilla Cream to soften up the edges. And go right down the nose, right here. And we've shaped the nose so quick with the one palette. That's crazy. And now I'm just gonna do my highlight. So I'm just gonna take Macchiato, what I use on my inner corners, and use it right here on my cheekbone. So for the lip, I'm just gonna take this Kat Von D Ludwig lipstick, like so. So you can stop right there, you can just do that lip, but I'm gonna go ahead and add on this gloss. It's really beautiful. It's from Pixie and Chloe Morello. She made this gloss. It's the lip icing in the shade Cake. It's so pretty and shimmery. I'm just gonna lay it over the top of the center of my lip. Ooh, look at that gold. And this will just glam up any look at any time of the day. Even if you wear it on its own, I feel like this would be really pretty. So that's pretty much it for the makeup. Very fast, quick, easy. You can do a setting spray. Now the hair. So if you woke up and your hair is a mess, or if you haven't washed it in like a day or two and it's just flat and oily like mine right now, my trick is to use dry shampoo. And lately I have been loving these dry shampoos from IGK, and not to mention the packaging is extremely freaking cute. I am obsessed with packaging. That's what catches my eye, and it's just the cutest thing. Together, these dry shampoos right here are called the Flight Club. It's so freaking cute. There's jet lag, direct flight, and first class. and they have really pretty packaging. So this one is called Jet Lag, and this is the Invisible Dry Shampoo. It's super lightweight. This is when you have maybe 1 or 2 days of hair and it's not really that bad. So this one right here just gets rid of mild dirt and oil in your hair. And then this guy right here is called Direct Flight. It's a multitasking dry shampoo. This one's gonna give you that lift in your hair if you like volume, which is something that I love and I love to use, which I'm about to show you right now. It's gonna give you that boost and lift in your hair. It's also gonna absorb the oils. And this is a medium cleanse. So if you've been out and about and you haven't washed your hair in maybe like 2 days or 3 days, then you might want to use this guy right here. And this guy is good for normal to oily scalp, so keep that in mind. And then the last guy is the first class. This is the Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo, a deep cleansing dry shampoo. This is when you haven't washed your hair in so many days you're embarrassed to tell us about. This one is good for oily scalps, fine hair, medium to thick, coarse textured hair, any type of hair basically. You can even use this after a workout. You're gonna smell good, your hair is gonna feel good, and it's not gonna look dirty, so nobody will know. It'll be a secret. The one that I'm gonna use today is going to be the green one because I want some lift in my hair, and it's been honestly maybe 2 days, so I feel like I'm just gonna go with this guy right here. So I just want a little bit of a lift. So when I'm ready to get out and do my hair, what I do, I'll have it straight first of all, because straight is the easiest, less time consuming thing to do. So I'll just focus this on the scalp. It doesn't leave any residue, but I'll just let it sit there. I'm not gonna even work it in yet. And then separate, it smells so good. And focus that on the scalp. And do another layer. My hair hits my crown, and once I've let it sit for a while, now I'll just start to massage my head like this. It just gives you this blow-dried, airy kind of look. I already have so much volume in my hair. I don't know if you guys can tell from when I started. That's pretty much all that I would do. Quick outfit and head out of the house. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And before I let you go, I want to remind you to have an open heart and an open mind. You never know who you can let in your life. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, dollies.